Hi everyone, and welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making a large batch of 52 Italian meatballs. These meatballs are light, fluffy, and absolutely perfect for freezing and meal planning. Let's get started. In a big bowl, add 3 kilos of ground beef and pork, 1 medium onion, and 3 cloves of minced garlic, 4 lightly beaten eggs, 10 slices of bread soaked in milk, 1 bunch of fresh parsley, 1 cup of Parmesan, 3½ cups of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of dry parsley, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of pepper. Now we mix to incorporate our ingredients. Avoid over-mixing them, otherwise your meatballs won't be fluffy. Now we use an ice cream scoop to shape. Using slow circular movements, shape the meatballs. Now preheat your oven at 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Bake your meatballs for 30 minutes. Let your meatballs cool down completely and then add them to freezer bags and store them in the freezer. We froze our batch instantly, but this would be the point where you could meal plan or simply serve right away. We opted to spare a few meatballs to make delicious meatball subs. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. For full recipes and written measurements, please visit plateonabudget.com. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.